This video will show you how to access QuickBase data for your app in ViziApps Studio. Data is managed per page in ViziApps Studio, so when you're on the page where you want to access data, click Manage Data. This will bring up the Data Property box for this page. In this first drop-down, you'll see the data source. If you don't have any set up, you'll need to set them up first. A quick note here. You can have multiple data sources in one app. Simply add as many as you need. Click on Create New Data Source. This brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to select the new data source type. As you can see, you can choose from Google Spreadsheets, QuickBase, SQL Database, Oracle Mobile Cloud, M2X, and ThingWorks. For this video, we'll focus on QuickBase integration. Choosing QuickBase will bring up this dialog box. Here, you'll give the data source a unique ID. Then, you'll enter the first part of your QuickBase domain name for your QuickBase account, your admin username and password, and your application token. Here, name the fields that will contain the QuickBase username and password if you'd like someone other than the administrator to be able to log in. Then choose the method for uploading media files to QuickBase. You can either choose to store them in the cloud with Amazon S3, which enables you to store the media URLs in QuickBase, or you can choose to store media files directly in QuickBase as file attachments. Using Amazon S3 for media files is much less expensive in the long term. Check this box if you'd like to use a cloud service for the QuickBase interface. This is more secure but provides somewhat slower access. Here, click Show Databases. Then choose the database you want to access on this page. From this drop-down, you'll see all of your QuickBase databases you can choose from. Choose the one you want and click Save to save your QuickBase registration info. This will take you back to the previous dialog box. To use your newly registered data source on this page, add it here. You can use multiple data sources on a page. When that is done, you'll see a storyboard view of your page, with the option of showing all pages, as well as the Query Command section. This is the heart of data integration for your app. Here, you can add a command by simply clicking on Add Command. Choose the action and choose the table you'd like to access. From there, you can add as many field mappings or data bindings as you need. Click the Add Field Mapping button and then select the field in your app from the storyboard on the left, and simply drag it into the desired device field. If you'd like, you can add filters to your data as well by clicking here. I'm going to add a filter which selects data in this query where the customer PO is equal to 10. If you'd like to add an action, click on the Add Action in App button. This will allow you to send the user to another page, or you can enter your own JavaScript to trigger different actions. Click on the Add Conditions button to add commands with if, then, and else conditions to your queries. If you'd like to remove any of the mappings or actions, click the red X where appropriate. If you'd like to start the mapping over, click on this red X. If you're finished creating your data queries in QuickBase, click Save to save them, and then click Close. Experiment with our QuickBase template app to see how it all works. You can also view the QuickBase help for more detailed information on doing queries by clicking on the main help button on top of the design page and searching for QuickBase. I've shown you all you need to get started with integrating QuickBase data into your own app. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.